Exercise 2.2, question number 8. Write the function in the simplest form. Question is tan inverse of bracket cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x under a condition minus pi by 4 is less than x is less than 3 pi by 4. Okay, so I'll start. Tan inverse of. In this bracket, I am dividing numerator and denominator by cos x. So cos x upon cos x, 1. Minus sin x upon cos x, tan x. Same way I am dividing denominator also. So cos x upon cos x, 1. Plus sin x upon cos x, tan x. So what I have done, dividing numerator and denominator by cos x in the bracket. Okay, so this will become tan inverse of this one. I am writing tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x means tan x multiplied by 1 is there. So tan x into that 1, in place of that 1 I am writing tan pi by 4. Why? Because tan pi by 4 is 1. Tan x multiplied by 1 will be tan x. Okay. So this is equal to tan inverse of. Now when you see this bracket, this is nothing but a formula of tan of pi by 4 minus x. You see, because tan of alpha minus beta is equal to what? Tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. That is the formula. Okay, so this is equal to tan inverse of tan of something. I can write something if that something belongs to the domain of the tan function. What is domain of the tan function? Open interval minus pi to pi by 2. Okay, so now we'll come to the condition. What is given to us? Minus pi by 4 is less than x is less than 3 pi by 4 is given to us. Now we need what? Minus x. So I need to multiply all the sides by minus 1. So when I multiply by minus 1, inequality will change. So minus 1 into minus pi by 4 will be pi by 4. Inequality will change. So minus x is greater than minus 1 multiplied by 3 pi by 4 will be minus 3 pi by 4. Rewriting, minus 3 pi by 4 is less than minus x is less than minus pi by 4. Now I need what? In addition, I need pi by 4. So I add pi by 4. So pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 is less than pi by 4 minus x is less than pi by 4 minus pi by 4. I have added pi by 4 on all the sides. So what is the LCM here? 4. So in numerator we get 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 pi by 4. Minus 2 pi by 4 means minus pi by 2 is less than pi by 4 minus x is less than 0. It means pi by 4 minus x belongs to where? Open interval minus pi by 2 to 0. Open interval minus pi by 2 to 0 means which quadrant you are in? Fourth quadrant, minus pi by 2 to 0. Okay, that is nothing but a subset of minus pi by 2 pi by 2. That is nothing but a subset of minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Whichever number which is coming between minus pi by 2 to 0, that number is definitely coming between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, give it result number 1. So tan inverse of tan of something, I can write something because of this one. What this one is saying, that pi by 4 minus x is belonging to the domain of the tan function. Okay, so this is the simplest form of tan inverse of bracket cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. Okay, now question number 9. Write the function in the simplest form. Tan inverse of x upon root of a square minus x square, where condition is mod x is less than a. Mod x is less than a means what? Minus a is less than x is less than a. Okay, so I'll assume let x is equal to a sin theta. So therefore x by a is equal to what? Sin theta. Therefore theta is equal to what? Sin inverse of x by a. Under a condition, this theta should belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, which is nothing but the domain of the sine function, and x by a belongs to close interval minus 1 to 1. Okay, so this expression will become tan inverse of x. What is x? A sin theta we have assumed, upon root of a square minus x I have taken a sin theta, so this will be square, so a square sin square theta. So this will become tan inverse of a sin theta upon, inside the root what is common? A square. So when it will be outside the root, it will be a into root of 1 minus sin square theta. Root of 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, and square root of cos square theta is mod cos theta. Mod cos theta, here theta is between minus pi to pi by 2, means first and fourth quadrant. First and fourth quadrant cos function is positive, so I'll write just cos theta. And here we'll assume that a is greater than 0. Here we have to assume that a is greater than 0. Okay, so a will get cancelled. So you are getting tan inverse of sin theta upon cos theta. What is it? Tan theta. No, tan inverse of tan of something, I can write something only if something belongs to the domain of the tan function. Okay, we'll come to the condition. What is condition? What is condition? Minus a is less than x is less than a. Now what is x? We have assumed a sin theta. So minus a is less than a sin theta is less than a. Now dividing throughout by a, and we have assumed a is positive. If it is not given in the question, it is understood that a should be positive. So when we divide by a, this will be minus 1. A by a will be 1. Is less than sin theta is less than a by again 1. Now sin theta I am keeping as it is. Sin of what gives 1? Pi by 2. So here I am writing sin pi by 2. And sin of what gives minus 1? Sin of minus pi by 2. So now sin is increasing in first and fourth quadrant. So this will be minus pi by 2 is less than theta is less than pi by 2. So therefore theta belongs to where? Open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Give it as number 1. Now tan inverse of tan of something, that is tan inverse of tan of theta, I can write theta because of this one. What this one is saying, that theta is in the domain of the tan function. So tan inverse of tan of something, that is tan inverse of tan of theta is equal to theta. And what is this theta? Sin inverse of x by a. So this is the reduced form. Sin inverse of x by a is the reduced form of tan inverse of x upon root of a square minus x square.